Hello, it's Simon with WTI, and this is a 5-pack of activated charcoal filters by KOTTO, and they are specifically meant for extracting fumes and smoke. So, for example, here I have used one with a 120 millimeter fan to construct a simple soldering smoke remover. It is soft material, as you can see. I just put the screws right through it. And now I can solder here and it takes all the fumes away. It comes in this it comes in a neat package. You have 5 of them. They are of the right thickness. If you have a device that requires these, they will fit right in. Or you can just use them to build something your own. I feel they are very handy and useful, but that is just my point of view.